cover up my swag. There's a thunderstorm about to hit. These guys here, they gotta close their awning down. The boys have just put the tarp back and strung it up, and it's about to hit it and blow it apart again. And there it is, all out there. It wouldn't be a fishing trip without getting hammered by a storm. And I'll see if I can catch some lightning. If it gives us a big strike. But yeah, dust blowing around everywhere. Oh, look at that. Our filleting table, our ironing board's blown over. We'll leave it there because otherwise it's only going to blow over again. Come on, give us some lightning. Yeah, there we go. You beauty. I might get Griffo to hang on to one of the tent poles to stop the tent flying away. At least he'd be doing something positive. And if lightning struck that tent post, well, that's a bonus for all of us. Dust blowing. Have a look at the dust blowing through. Rue's tying up our can bins so that doesn't fly away. He's flying away instead. Woodsy's hanging on to the tent poles.
No lightning.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't hold on to the tent poles if there is lightning. We've got lamb shanks for tea tonight. How good's that? We had a big roast too, but we can't light the fire because it's going to be pointless even if we did light a fire. But I can see us playing the basketball shot game for skulls a little bit later. Oh, here's Nigel bought me the marine radio out. How good's that? That was donated by the SES. Might be using that tomorrow. Might go and put it in the car so it doesn't get wet. Yeah.
Now we've been popping it right in the face of the fucking...
Oh yeah.
The caravan.
Yep. It'd be. Oh, have they put the awning up? No. Yeah. Well. It'll break and blow away.
Let's fix that. You've got two of them doing things up top.
Oh yeah, you can't even see the point on the other side. You're going out in a half hour to get the pots. Oh, I think it's a little bit windy. It's coming down a little bit heavier now. This is what the locals call a puff, a little bit of a puff. And we would call it a very heavy shower, rain, wind, storm. Yep. As one local would say, it's pissing down.
What's going on then?
Just a final recording before it gets too dark. Can't even see over there for the rain. Still pissing down. Look at this, the Carlton supporters, they got to put their gear on. The Victorian over there, he's got to put his warm clothes on. Us South Aussies, we're hardcore, eh? We're tough. Oh, yeah, nearly snapped me neck then on this fucking tarp.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah. just gone 9 o'clock. The wind's picked up to 140 kilometres an hour. But the tarp's holding up. The Taj Mahal, it's hanging in there. Critter's gone to bed crying. He's in his swag. Rue's hit Dr. Jamison's. Woodsy's from Melbourne. He just thinks this happens every week. And Griff's on his 38th can today. And Woodsy wants to know what to do if the roof goes. I said just climb in your swag and we'll deal with it tomorrow. Oh, there's a bit of lightning happening. There's only one thing to do in a storm. Rue's gone to Jamison's. I'm going to tequila. Yoo-hoo! We've just knocked off all these liqueurs. Your Beauty. Tequila. The bloke over there is finally putting his awning down on his caravan. He might need some tequila too. Gurgle, 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 gurgle. Ah, there's a lid.
Wet, and this is a good tarp.
Here we are. It's 10:30. The storm was only supposed to last 10 minutes, so Woodsy says. And here we are 4.5 hours later, it's still going. Tarp's really sagging and blowing apart. And will it stop tomorrow morning?
Well,
that's the big call.
we'll be pulling the pots in no matter what, and if it's choppy,
we might be even leaving it till Saturday morning.
done that.
Yeah.
That's providing it's any better on Saturday morning. If it's the same, what are you going to do? Stay another day. Stay another day.
Hey, yeah, stay another day.
Fish in the bay. Hey, hey, it's Saturday. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, and hopefully the storm blows over. Look at this tarp.
Check the back tarp, that's the best one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it says whooshka.
It blew out today. It's not showing up on the camera, but it blew out and it was...
Wow, not asleep because he'd be snoring.
Yeah. Yeah. Critter's been in his swag for about, what, an hour and a half, 2 hours? Yeah. It'll calm down. It better calm down because I'm running out of tequila. Tequila! After the storm we had, car got muddy going down there. Boat got all muddy, but it's clean now. And no crayfish at all. Sad, sad, sad. Plenty of normal fish, whiting and that, but no crays. And after the storm we had, have a look at it now. Flat, calm, beautiful. And it's going home. All the pots getting done and game over.